Hi, this is Cascadia 2020, and if your phone charger port is not working, then you have to change the fuse. I'm going to show you where is the fuse, and as you can see, there's no light coming up, so it's not working. We're going to fix it. So on the passenger side, you will see the panel like this with the Cascadia logo, and here's written pull. Just pull it. It will come out like this. So this is a fuse box. Just open it with this two locks pressed in, and here's the fuse box. And so look at the fuse, and you have to look at number 19, F19, AB. So you have to look at here, number F19, AB, FUT2 25 amp. So we need to look 25 amp, F19. Here's a drawing. So where's F9? F19 was here. So this is the F19 with the RE3, with the big relay. So here, this is a big relay, and F19 is probably, this is the 125 amp. So this is the one you have to pull and change it. Oh, so it's, well, okay. So anyway, I'm going to bring the new one. I'm going to change it. So here I got the 25 amp fuse. So I'm going to put it in the new fuse. So as you can see, the light came on. So now it's working. So there you go. So this is how you fix the charging ports. So there's another two. So there's the fuses. You have to look an F19 and the other fuses as well, like F16, 17, 18, and 19. So those are the fuses for all these. So thank you for watching my video. You can download our app, go to the Play Store and search Quick DDC, and you will find our app. You can download it.